Hi children, good morning. How are you all? Yes, I'm doing fine. Hope you all doing good. Today we are going to discuss the uses of plants. Till now we have seen many uses of plants like medicinal plant, fibers, sugar, spices, nuts, cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables. Now we are going to see the next use of plant, that is wood and timber. So how do we get wood? We are getting wood from the trunk of trees. So basically there are two types of wood. The first one is hardwood and the second one is softwood. So what is hardwood? Hardwood is nothing but these type of wood will seen in deciduous forest, that means dense forest, where the leaves will fall during autumn season. So with this type of wood they will make furniture like chair, sofa, desk, etc. The next is softwood. Before we go into softwood, we are going to see the types of hardwood. Example: rosewood, ebony, teakwood, mango wood and mahogany wood. These are the types of hardwood in which we will make furniture. The next is softwood. So what is softwood? Softwood will get from coniferous trees. So what is coniferous trees? Coniferous trees will have needle shaped like leaves. From these trees we will make paper, cork, boat and cards. There is another type of tree called willow tree. With the help of willow tree we will make cricket bat. You all know what is cricket bat, right? The cricket bat is made from willow tree. At last, we are going to see the other uses of plants. The first one is, from plants we will get gums, resins and turpentine oil. So what is turpentine oil? It is an oil which we get from pine wood, a pine tree. This turpentine oil is used in paints and varnishes. The next is rubber. So from where we are getting rubber? We are getting rubber from rubber tree. So from rubber we will make erasers which we erase, tires for vehicles and pipes. The next is cane. So what is cane? Cane is obtained from bamboo tree, Hope you all must have seen bamboo tree. It will be in green color. The next is, with the help of plants, we can make paints, varnishes and dyes. So what is varnish? Do you know what is varnish? I'll tell you. It is a substance, it is a thing which is applied, which can be coated on wood or metal. So why we are coating it? To protect it and to make it very shine. So when we apply this varnish in metal or any wood furnitures, it will become very shiny and it will protect. So what is dye? The next one is dye. So what is dye? Dyes are nothing but to change the color. It is a substance to change the colors. For example, we are seeing different colors of things around us. How it is? So we will coat a color dye on it. You all know every flower has different fragrance. So with the help of fragrance and with the help of such flowers, we can make perfumes. You know what is perfume, right? Yes, almost everybody started using perfumes to keep us fresh, to keep us from the odor out. Like example, jasmine, rose. So with this help of these type of flowers, we can make perfumes. The last is, we can use the plant as humus. So what is humus? When the plants are dried off, the dried leaves from plants can be used as manure, can be used as food for plants. So this improves the fertility of soil. So this can make the soil to hold the plants well. So these are the other uses of plants. By this topic, we are completing a lesson, the uses of plants. Hope you all clear with all the topics which I have covered. I am going to assign worksheets to make you strong on these topics. Today I am going to assign a worksheet. Kindly complete it and send to your respective class email ID. Thank you, children. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you so much for listening.